I'm gonna use these leaves and that backdrop to style for today's newborn baby setup. I have a newborn session this afternoon, picking up some leaves. These are so beautiful. Look at that. I know I'm gonna utilize these. Oh, beautiful baby. Late autumn here. A lot of leaves are looking sad. Basket I picked up from the vintage shop yesterday. Okay, now it's complete. I like putting a layer on top of the felt so baby is not irritated with the fluff. Okay, our color theme today is the orange and the yellow and some brown. I really like this backdrop mat. This is one of the 4-in-1 designs. We cut the mat into 4 pieces. It's big enough for overhead shot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour all these flowers around the basket that I picked up from the vintage shop yesterday. I'll lay the flowers around. They're all artificial flowers. I feel I can smell the scent coming out of the flowers. So beautiful. So pretty. Piece of felt. It's a yummy color. Okay, semi-complete, just missing the baby.